Welcome to the Geek Easy, fellow geeks, where we're going to be opening some packages. Pretty sure I know what they are, and boy, after the day I've had today, I'm hoping they are what I think they are. First, this. Boom. Yep. It is Batman phone holder. Hoping I got the right size. Take a look at it. Let me take this out of the package here. Darn it. Look at that. You know, I may have accidentally gotten one size too big, but we'll see. Let's take this out of this one. My otter, and put it in here. Yes, I got one size too big. So I'm going to have to send it back or something. But let's just move on. This other package right here. That was a boom. Batman Prelude to Nightfall Omnibus. So I think I have everything now. Except for Troika, but it's out of print, so I'm gonna have to go to some place like eBay and something and see if they have it. But at least one of the things I got today is right. So, what do you think? Anyone read this? I'm gonna get this, reread number 1, finish number 2. Then read 3 and The Search. It's going to be good. Anyway, that's all I got for this haul right now. And let me know what you think in the comments below. Like, subscribe, and most of all, enjoy your stuff.